Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we discuss Quant and its ticker QNT. None of the content financial advice. Right now, the price of Quant is up at around $95. It's above the 20-week simple moving average and the 50-week simple moving average. Um, the current price action from its lows of about $68 to at one point around $108 marked a different price action for Quant compared to the other major cryptos. Again, it's the fourth most rallying crypto over the last 30 days or the last 7 days. Also, it's the second most rallying crypto. Market cap above 1 billion, has a decent amount of released supply out of the max supply of roughly 15 million, 12 million, or 81% of the total supply is already in circulation. And again, price is holding steady at this point. If it were to uh, find support at the 20-week simple moving average, which is coming in uh, at around 95 to $97. That would be great to see for this week. The $94 level is the 21-week exponential moving average, whereas the price is slightly under the 50-week simple moving average at around, which is at around $96. So coming to the regression based valuation of what a fair value for quant is using this polynomial regression analysis, whenever the price is significantly lower than this fair value for quant, which is again an estimation of a non-linear model of a fair value with 4 degrees of freedom. The key understanding with this is whenever the prices are, let's say, in this purple shaded region, or purple colored region, that's when again there is no guarantee with any price action, especially for risky assets such as crypto and altcoins. But again, if you draw analysis from long term price horizons to look for any major area of support and resistance using regression based analysis, you would find that this line would be essentially a toolkit to understand whether the prices are undervalued or overvalued. Right now, the fair value for quant per and this token QNT per this regression model is at around $125, and the price is in this purple territory over here, purple shaded region right now. Again, the last again in the last 3 to 4 days, the price action did go slightly higher to 0.12 risk than less than 10% risk. The opposite of this is again whenever the intermediate risk levels are achieved by quant, let's say between zero point 0.3 and zero point 0.4, that's where major peaks occurred in 2024. If we fall short of that, then the next area to look for any major peaks is between zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.3 risk. For this model, zero point 0.2 risk for quant is at around $98. So the current price action about $3 from the current price action, that's where major resistance is for this model. The higher end of that the higher end of that levels between zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.3 is at around $133 with a midpoint of around $116. So $133 would be close enough to that 0.23 fib level drawn from the 2021 highs to the 2022 lows for quant. The good thing about quant is that after the 2022 lows, there weren't any again retest of that low, and next in the next bearish phase, the underlying crypto achieved higher lows. So that was again the 0.23 fib level for quant. If we go any higher than that, the zero point 0.4 risk is at around $168 forecasted. The $168 is slightly lower than the 0.382, somewhere over here, where the price did eventually go in December of 2024. That was 1 year ago. Coming to again other videos for quant, again all of these models are available on cryptoweeklies.com, link on the bottom of your screen. Other videos for quant you can find on this YouTube channel. Again, this website is my own, and the YouTube channel that is linked to it is this channel that you're watching the video of right now. Coming to the quant's historical videos submitted on this channel, you can see several videos were covered related to quant since 2023 when we launched this channel. So you can check them out to see if there are any again, if what I'm saying today is distinctly different from what was said earlier on this channel, the machine learning based price forecast using seasonal ARIMA model to forecast what the price could do in a bear case, bull case, and base case. The non-euphoria bull case for for the month of December is going to that midpoint as described between zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.3 at around $117. Again, this is trend on weekly price action since 2018 and uses seasonal ARIMA based bull case analysis. The 95 percentile or the 2 standard deviation bull case for quant is at around $150. That's the max permissible level, slightly below the 0.382 with 95% accuracy or 95 percentile confidence that the price would stay within the bounds of this orange line for this month of December. Last but not the least is the 20-week simple moving average price risk. It is kind of elevated right now at 0.26. Usually at the end of major rallies, it goes in this green region between 0.5 and 0.6. If it were to do something close to that 0.5 to 0.6 level, the price could have a macro level of macro peak level at around between point 0.5 risk is at around $250. The 0.6 is at around $275. Again, if it could, and that coincides slightly better with the 0.5 Fibonacci level and 0.618. So 0.618 could be the major peak for quant for if there is a bullish December in 2025. With that, an estimation of all of these individual risk-based models, if you were to check out these forecast for quant, the base case in that environment is at around $235. The bull case is at around $275. As that is what we discussed earlier. If we fall short of that, the 0.236 is around $131, and the midpoint of the 0.382 and the 0.236 is at $160. With that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.